fast food and fresh food don't have to be two different things. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today I'll show you how to make a protein-packed dinner ahead of time so it's ready whenever you need a fresh meal with this green machine pesto pasta. To begin, cook 1 package of Barilla Protein Plus spaghetti in a large pot of salted water. During the last 2 minutes of cooking, add 2 cups of Hy-Vee Shortcuts broccoli florets, 1 cup of sugar snap peas, and 1 cup of frozen shelled edamame. Drain when the pasta is al dente and the vegetables are tender. Then, return the pasta and veggies to the pot. After that, in a food processor, place 3 cups of spinach, 1 cup of broccoli, 1 cup of cooked Hy-Vee green peas, a ½ cup of lightly packed fresh basil leaves, a ½ cup of Soirée shredded Parmesan cheese, 2 ounces of Hy-Vee pine nuts, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of Hy-Vee salt, and a ½ teaspoon of black pepper. Cover and pulse until the mixture is fully chopped. With the processor still running, slowly pour in a ½ cup of Gustari Vita extra virgin olive oil and process until smooth. Then add your pesto to the pot mixture and toss to coat. Garnish with additional Parmesan cheese before serving. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com. And for more tips to keep you and your family healthy, follow us on Facebook or Instagram at Hy-Vee Dietitians.